Okay, so now we're going to go into the office, and we do have some pretty strong white light coming through the window even though the blinds are closed. But this is where I do a lot of my work, and there's my massive, this is a photo printer, and it will print up to, it'll print a 13 by 19 photograph. And then I've got, this is a very heavy couch. I can't even, it's a hide-a-bed, don't ever use it, but I can't even lift a corner up. This thing is so heavy. And this is my gun cabinet. It's got locks on it, and we still got somebody sitting there waiting to be put away. I just got back from being in the mountains with it, and we got a couple of favorite photographs up here. It's my mom, me, Shelley, and Rune. We got 4 generations of kids on tricycles. And then we come around here, and this is my desk with my computer, and then go to my TV set and bookcases, and my rifles that I'm proud of, glad to own them, and more bookcases and some ammo boxes. And here's a couple of really neat pictures. There's a picture of Shelley I took. Let's see if I can get over here at an angle. I took this picture of Shelley a couple years ago, and then I made this for the kids here a few months ago, and they didn't want to hang any frames at their house, so I brought them home and hung them here. Okay, so that's kind of a view of the office, and now I'm going to turn this off and download it and see if it came out any better.